The Union Minister of Tourism Gajendra Singh Shekhawat today chaired a significant tourism ministers conference held in Shillong, which brought together tourism ministers from the northeastern, eastern states and union territories. The conference deliberated on several critical issues, including the development of iconic tourist centers, the identification of alternate destinations, marketing and promotion strategies, data utilization, ease of doing business, attracting private investments, cleanliness and ensuring tourist safety. This day-long conclave organized by the Ministry of Tourism was focused on shaping the future of tourism in India and discussing strategies for its sustainable development.
When we say resources, the natural resources और the consider किए गए तो समझ में आता है कि it is उसके चलते हुए हमारे यहाँ दो तरह के
People's Party